days ago, as I said, my square-1 actually broke a bit on this green yellow piece. If we think about this, we'll see that it actually snapped right here. So I was supposed to get a new one. And my mom surprised me with other things that I got with the square-1 that I got. And I'm gonna be showing them right now. I'm about to take it right now. There we go. First we have the cheap Pyraminx. It's the keychain edition. It turns out better than I thought. But if you have one of those at home and don't like it, maybe Moyu will make one. Or I don't know even if they have made it. Next, the biggest thing I gotta take it off like that, is this giant backpack that says Moyu on it. And it has a lot of storage. Right here. There's also this thing. Get out of there. Yeah, there is so much to look at on this. Yeah, there's a lot. Let's get to what is on the title right now of the video. The new square-1. This is gonna be exciting. My first unboxing video is this video right now. So I have never unboxed a cube in front of camera. So this is gonna be my first time. This is awkward to open. There we go. This is the square-1. Gotta take it off. And yes, it's the MGC. The YJ MGC. So let's start opening. That looks great. Accessory box, we'll see that later. Get away from the plastic. Let's see the cube itself. And yes, there is nothing in the box. Just some plastic. So let's get that out of here. And let's look at the cube itself. I gotta see so I don't mix up this one and the new one right here. But I think I might be able to feel the turning that is a bit different. So let's open this. Why are cubing boxes so hard to open? There we go. Right here. Now let's try it. Well, this one's fast. Yeah, I can definitely feel the difference between this one. But you might be able to hear the difference. And this is the new one. It doesn't have any lube inside, though it might have some factory lube. So it's a bit weird. So at the end of the video, I will be making a solve on. I will be showing a solve on this. I have it like a minute. So let's look at the accessories. Square-1 sheet, screwdriver, nice, and these black parts, which I probably won't be using. Let's get that out of the way. So first turns, I can really feel that this one is a lot faster and a lot more smooth than the other one. Comment if or you don't have to count them, but see if you can spot the difference on this one and this one. For some reason, I feel like this one might be a bit smaller because I took it apart these pieces of it a few times, but on this one I haven't. And the logo really sticks out to me. Anyway, get that old one out of the way. So first turns, my first impressions on this cube is that it's very smooth and very fast. Just a bit of factory glue, but that's all fine. And if you're watching this video right now, you'll know that this is a good cube. So this is a good cube. D3, and this one, D3. This one feels a bit weirder, like a bit more dry on the inside, but I'm not gonna lube it because I have two lubes, GAN lube number 3 and GAN lube number 2. Number 2 just makes it a lot faster, and a bit too much faster, so I'm not gonna be doing it. But first impressions, as I said, great. If I needed to rank all of the square ones that exist, I would rank this one a 10 out of 10 and the best one on the market. So if you want to get this one, you should definitely buy it. And if you don't like it, then I don't know. I don't know how much this cost. What is this, a scratch right here? Oh well. Now you guys might have been waiting a bit for the solve. So I'll do the solve now and again at the end of the video. So let's start. This is a very easy scramble. Let's put that there. I got the bad case. Yeah, I do use beginner method. There, we made cube shape. And now let's see, what case do we have? We have an okay case. This is a bad case. Oh, these algorithms are really smooth. Okay. I have kind of a good case. Is the equator. I have a diagonal solved. How to do the adjacent solve algorithm. And now I have an adjacent. Okay, I got parity and parity, which means no parity. Yes. Okay. So let's fix the 3 edges. One more time. And there we go. That took not as long as I thought. And also, this screwdriver on this old cube that I have, you can just misalign it and just pop it off with these little caps. And then on this side there's no screw, but on the other side, on this blue side, there is. And here you can adjust the tensions. I'm not gonna do that. Put it back over there. But yeah, you've seen the square one. You've seen my old square one. You have seen the accessories. Maybe you want to know a bit more about how they make the packaging and about the other things that I got. So for the packaging, it's kind of straightforward. You have this, where you fit the cube itself, and you have the MGC logo that goes like this. And this is cool. You just drag it out, like it's pretty hard. But once you get used to opening MGC cubes, there. And ta-da! Accessories and cube. Here, my. And also I have tricked my friend by doing this algorithm where I had to solve this. But instead of doing the D move right here, I just put it back and then it's not solved. And I showed them like it's magic and they actually believe it, but kind of not. I don't know how to explain it. And I just do. You might have seen what I did. I slice, turn the bottom layer once, and then slice again. And I'll show you a bit of the bag and everything else that I got now. First, let's start with the bag. It's pretty big. And right here we have something that you can put storage in. Big. Right here. Here you have for a water bottle or a timer. And there's a lot of things in here. And it's very deep. Here you have for like accessories and stuff. Wait, I gotta open this bag. Just give me a sec, guys. And also, I did get 8 Moyu cube stands. I don't even have a single Moyu cube. Alright, so here is the bag itself. Big boy. In here there's a whole bunch of storage where you can put cubes and accessories. Right here, you can open it. It's right here. A lot of space for keychain cubes. And a lot of space for accessories and cubes. And let's move on to something also that I got. The 8 Moyu cube stands are basically what they sound like. So here's the square one, new, and the old square one on some of them. Yeah, let's move on. So, as I was saying, maybe you guys also want to see a solve on the pyramids. So I can show you that right now. So let's scramble it up. It's just tiny. So I think that's good. So let's do some inspection. This is a good scramble. Let's start. So that's our 3 pieces in. There. Here's that piece. Oh. And there we go. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Because I'm a channel that's trying to get recommended to other people and more popular. And I'll see you guys next time.